Today we're talking about density, which is a huge factor when choosing a hairpiece. For this video, we're going to explain two types of popular densities that our clients often purchase. First up is the HD105, a full French lace system. This model features a medium density. Then with a similar base, we have the M115, a full Swiss lace system, which has a very light density, about 100% at the front and 90% throughout the rest of the system. When you compare these two densities, you'll immediately notice that one looks and feels much heavier than the other. That's because there's a 20 to 30% density difference throughout. You can even see the difference much more clearly when you hold them up side by side against the light or sun. When clients choose lighter density hair systems, they sometimes misinterpret the appearance of areas with less hair as bald spots or imperfections. These are not true bald spots, rather they are areas where fewer hairs are often knotted into the base. As you can observe at the bottom of the base, nearly all of the tiny holes are covered with hair. This design is intentional to achieve a lightweight density. If more hair were added, for example, to a Swiss lace base, it would result into a heavy density look. Therefore, light density hair systems are specifically designed to have this appearance. The density is usually matched to the thickest part of your natural hair. If you find you have a lighter to medium density on the sides, then choose what you think would best suit that density. We offer a wide range of densities in our product line, from light to heavy. A general rule of thumb to remember is the less hair on the hairpiece, the less durable it becomes, meaning you'll need to replace that hair system more often than a hairpiece with a heavier density. Please check our website. You'll find detailed density information for each model there, www.superhairpieces.com. We hope this video gave you all the information you need to find your perfect hair system.